This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol MSFT. This is a daily chart. Each candlestick represents 1 day of trading. We will be looking at 3 charts here, and the first chart shows the Bollinger Bands and the big move on Friday. As you can see, there was this big gap up open followed by a run above 54 up to 54.07, and then the share price pulled back to just above or just below 53 here at 52.87. So this was the hitting all-time high levels for Microsoft, and this was the highest close for Microsoft all time. So if you look down here, you can see there's this giant volume spike, huge volume, 135 million shares traded. So a very big volume day for Microsoft. You can see way above all the other volume bars. Up here, you could see the Fasto is cruising up here in the power zone as been trending up. Fasto has been above 80, and Microsoft's been able to head higher at that level. RSI now is well above 70, so it is in the overbought power zone. Here at 81.98, you can see you'd have to go to this chart to find a higher level. So this is just a giant move on Friday, which created a gap on the chart. You can see there's a space between high of day, which was this wick, top of this wick right here was high of day on Thursday, and this low of day on Friday creates what we call a gap. Something to keep in mind. If you look down here at Fasto, down here at MACD, you'll see that there was a nice bounce off the MACD line, and now MACD is looking really bullish and shooting up again. So then there's this nice uptrend. For support and resistance levels, the first support level is going to be right here at the upper Bollinger Band. That's at 50.66. That'll be the first level of support, and the next level is going to be down here at the EMA4. That will be a key level of second key level of support at 49.73, and then the next one will be 48.60, EMA8. As you can see, as this stock has been trending up, the candles have been forming above EMA's 4 and 8, riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher, and are forming above the middle Bollinger Band. So this is a nice uptrend. As you can see, the candles were below the middle Bollinger Band back here, and they broke resistance, turned it into support, new uptrend began. So let's look at another chart here. So look over here at the, this has got the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day moving average. As you can see, candles are forming above all 3 levels. Keep an eye out. Right now, the 50-day moving average is below the 100-day moving average. Keep an eye out for a cross above that level. If you could see down here, this shows volume was very high compared to, this was the basically the second largest volume day of the year, was on Friday. If you look up here at the space on the chart, okay, here we'll check out 49. So 49 is going to be the key level of support on a pullback. As you can see, that was resistance back here in May, and then it was resistance here on Thursday before the breakout. So on a pullback, look for 49 level to turn into support. And then if you look over here on this chart here is a monthly chart. So each candlestick represents 1 month of trading, and this is a 20-year chart going all the way back to 1995. As you can see here in 2000, the up here this level was hit in the mid 40s, and that was the high level to turn into support, right? And that happened over the last couple of years here. We've been turning this previous high into support, and now there's a breakout above this 48 level. So as you can see, once again, the 48, 49 level is the level to hold on a pullback. So basically, you're looking at Microsoft at its highest level, monthly level, in 20 years. So this is huge. If you look up here at Fasto, Fasto is up here above 80. It's hitting previous top levels, close to it. So there's a little more juice around Fasto. The key is can Microsoft continue heading higher above 80 on Fasto? If you look up here on RSI, RSI is between 50 and 70, which is the bull zone. So RSI is looking good, looking very strong. You've got this nice, multi-year uptrend starting down here in 2000, and as you can see, Microsoft has just been trending up. Very nice channel. So for going forward, you're looking at making new highs is the key going forward. So Microsoft needs to bust above 5407. That'll be the next resistance level to break. One interesting note here is the volume. As you can see, there's a declining volume pattern. So as the price has been rising, the volume has been declining. So that's something interesting. You've got this bearish divergence here between the volume and the price, because you have price at its highest level, but you have volume down here near its lowest level. So that's just showing to me that there's less buyers that are willing to buy at these higher levels. So there's not as much. This is a huge move, and it's the highest level in 20 years, but there's not a lot of volume behind the move. And then you got down here at MACD has just started a bullish crossover. As you can see, the green line is crossing over the red line. So that shows you that, and you can see down here the histogram bars. You can barely see it, but this month's histogram bar is turning green. So if the green line crosses the red line, this could be signaling the start of a new uptrend. So you've got this nice, or continued uptrend, I should say. So you have this nice pattern going. Very strong move for Microsoft. Congrats to everyone that's in this stock. It's been a huge multi-year winner. Thanks for viewing this chart, and I hope you're having a great evening.